Hey guys, what's going on? So OMT sent Steve and I a set of these torque sticks. So what these are is they allow you to torque the lug nuts on your vehicle with an impact gun. You don't need a torque wrench. When you go to your local tire shop, a lot of times they have these hanging on the wall. So this is a really useful tool. I'm kind of excited about this product. They're pretty cool. And come over here, I'll show you what's included in this case. This is by OMT. It's a 10-piece kit. It comes in this case, and they start off at 65 foot-pounds, and they go up to 150, and they're all labeled with different color bands. So if you use them on a vehicle, you can look up the torque spec on the internet to see, you know, how many foot-pounds your lug nuts require. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate how these work. We've got a Ford Ranger here in the shop, and I know on that vehicle it's 100 foot-pounds of torque. The lug nut torque. So I'm going to put that on our gun here. We'll go around, tighten up the wheel, and you can see how they work. Before I get started, I just want to let you know in the description of the video, I'll put a link over to this product on their website, and you can check them out on their website. Let's get rolling. All right, so we got Gary's Ford Ranger here. We're going to use the 100 foot-pound torque stick to torque his lug nuts on. Slowly tighten these lug nuts up, going the star pattern, and then I'm going to torque them down. Okay. Should be good. We're going to test these now with a regular torque wrench to make sure that they're set at 100 foot-pounds of torque. Okay, so we have my snap-on torque wrench right here. We just had it calibrated so we know it's good to go. These lug nuts should be set to 100 foot-pounds of torque. We've already set a torque wrench for that setting.
Okay, dead on, dead on, dead on, dead on. Okay, so far so good, right on. They're clicking and they're not turning. He's got the right amount of torque. Yep.
Great.
Okay, so the tool is accurate.
So the torque stick worked pretty good. It's way faster than using the torque wrench, as we just showed. You can kind of zip around a lot quicker. So even if you're in the backyard or a service shop, it's always worth having these torque sticks hanging around. Just makes reinstalling tires and getting the right torque a lot quicker and easier for you.
And the last thing Tony's doing is he's torquing these wheels, because if you over tighten the wheels, you can distort your rotors. So that's the big thing about making sure your wheels are properly torqued so that they don't come loose and you don't distort your rotors.
If you have any questions, leave a comment on the video. I'll reply back to you guys. And there's a link to these in the description of the video, so go check it out.